Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to install free McBoot onto your PlayStation 2 and copy it from one memory card to another. So this memory card that I've got right here, I got off eBay for about £4 and it has free McBoot pre-installed on it. So you will need to get one of these because you can't install free McBoot unless you have a mod chip in your PlayStation 2 or you do the really annoying disk swap method, which doesn't work most of the time. So this has got free McBoot on it. I've also got a memory card right here. This is just a normal PlayStation 2 one. It's got nothing on, but what I'm going to be doing is copying free McBoot across from this memory card onto this one. And the cool thing about this, guys, is you can literally make as many free McBoot copies as you want. So you can do it on as many memory cards as you wish, and then you can also sell them to a friend. So the other thing you'll need for this is just a normal USB drive, so it doesn't really matter, anything above 20 megabytes. This one right here is about 5 gigs, so that'd be fine. So now I'm going to head over to my PC and show you guys what files you'll need to put onto your USB stick. Right guys, once you're on your computer, you want to head over to this link. It will be in the description. It's called Newbie Package, and basically this is the files that you will need to install free McBoot onto another memory card. So it's just on a mega page. All you want to do is just go ahead and click download. It's about 20 megabyte file, and this is the latest version of free McBoot. So once it's downloaded, head over to your downloads folder. And all you want to do is just copy this file to your USB drive. But before you do that, all you want to do is head over to your USB drive, right click it, go over to format, and all you want to do is just select FAT32 and default allocation size, and then click start. Then click OK. And now click OK again. So now just head over to your downloads folder, drag this file across to your USB. Then once you're on your USB, all you want to do is select the file, do right click and then extract here. Now go ahead and open up the folder that it created, and all you want to do is just select all of these files and drag them to the root of your USB stick. So once they're copied across, you can delete the folder because it is now empty, and you can also delete the original zip file. So these are all the files you need for installing free McBoot onto your other memory card. So now I'm just going to head over to my PlayStation 2 and show you guys how to set everything up. Okay guys, so once you're over at your PlayStation 2, this is exactly what you want to do. So you want to get your memory card, the one that doesn't have free McBoot on. This can be a blank memory card, it doesn't really matter. And you want to plug this into slot 1. You then want to get your hacked memory card that does have free McBoot on, and you want to plug this one into slot 2. You then want to get your USB with the files on, so the free McBoot package, and plug that into the first USB port. Guys, so once your PlayStation 2 is powered on, just make sure it doesn't have a disk inside. Okay guys, so once you're on your PlayStation 2 and you'll have a controller connected, you'll notice that it will boot off your hacked memory card. So what you want to do, you want to scroll down and press X to boot, you launch L. From here you want to press the circle for file browser. You then want to scroll down to mass and then press circle on that. You then just want to scroll down to freemcbootinstaller.elf and press circle to launch it. Right guys, so now once you're on this page, you just want to press R1 just to scroll along to this section. Then you want to press X on format memory card. It's going to say memory cards were detected in both slot 1 and slot 2. This is where you choose what memory card you want to format. So obviously you want to format the one without free McBoot on. So the one without free McBoot for me is in slot 2. I actually just swapped them around quickly. So make sure you don't format the one that has your one that's already hacked. So I'm going to go ahead and format the slot 2 memory card. And I'm going to do yes. So you're going to say format complete, press X to OK. Then you just want to press L1 a couple of times. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a normal installation, so just press X on install. Then choose which memory card you want to install it to. So obviously you want to choose the slot with the one you just formatted, so for me that's slot 2. And it's going to say Free McBoot will be installed onto the memory card in slot 2. Continue, press X for yes. Select the installation type, I just go ahead and do normal. Now you're just going to wait for it to install. This can take a few minutes, so just give it time and I'll be back with you guys when it's done. So when it's done, it will just say installation complete, so just press X. Now you can scroll down and just press X to exit. Quit program, press X to OK. Now what you want to do is take out the USB and the Free McBoot card that you got off eBay and then test if it works on the one that you just made. Okay, so my new memory card with Free McBoot just installed is now plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my PlayStation. And there you go guys, the latest version 1.9.5.3. This was only made, I think, probably a year and a half ago. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.